So here's an idea, something new, something different, something that's growing today. NFTs. What if we found a way to use some of our art or our projects that we're working on in our school or kind of around the school or even just like personal stuff, use that as a way to fundraise for your classroom. That's what I'm getting into. I'm starting to make my own artistic things. I'm going to use some of the things that we've been putting up on Instagram and up on YouTube and up in different places that I've shown my students. How do we turn this art that we've made into something that can bring in revenue or bring in some sort of influence into our classroom? Here's what I'm doing. I'm starting on OpenSea, and I've read a couple of good things about here. I'm really just getting into this stuff. And I am creating my little nifties or my NFTs, whatever you want to call them. And I'm putting them onto my little portfolio zone. And eventually I will find a way to get it out into the marketplace. To do that, I need Ether or Ethereum or the cryptocurrency that this platform is built on. And I have been dabbling in cryptocurrencies for a couple of years now, and I have loved how far it has come. It's seen some really great things. If you're interested in donating any Ethereum directly to me or to get this stuff up and running, here's my wallet address. Feel free to send over that stuff, whatever you want. Any little tiny little bit helps. I know that the first time that you sell an NFT on OpenSea, you need to create a connection between the accounts, between the wallet and the marketplace. And that's a little pricey. So anything that you guys contribute is going to go towards that, to getting this thing started. Anything that you can send my way, awesome. I sincerely appreciate it. I'll leave that address in the link below. And again, here's what my thoughts are. I want to create some art that I'm doing either with the students or for the students in the school. I want to show a video where I am constructing this art. Have a video where we are destroying the art. So like maybe if it's on an erase board, right, we erase it. Or if it's a piece of paper, gets crumpled up and thrown into the bin, right? It's all, because it's school, everything is temporary. You don't want to hang on to papers for years and years and years. It's not that kind of art. But if you put it into a digital form, now you can keep it forever. And with the video stuff, we could add, like maybe the kids are like, no, as it's getting erased, right? Or maybe the bulletin board paper will just come ripping down. It's just something special and unique that people can be a part of, So I'm going to have a couple of videos, have a special thank you video, and I'll have some high resolution files for whoever purchases that crypto, that NFT rather. What do you think? Is this something that you guys think you could get into? Is this something that you are familiar with? Have you guys been dabbling in cryptocurrencies? Have you been looking at the NFTs? I know that the whole art scene is going crazy right now, which is awesome. So I really just want to jump on here and say, how can I use this new craze in the classroom? How can I show students this is how you can create a way to live, a way to raise money for whatever cause you have, that is new, that is fresh, that is something that people haven't done before, because there's new things happening all the time. And if you don't get in it, if you don't get involved into it, if you don't start trying it out for yourself, you're never going to see it work. And you may always be skeptical. Why? That's crazy. I've never heard of that. That's ridiculous. Well, it's new. So the best way to learn it is to do it. So that's what we're going to be doing. I'm excited. I'm looking forward to it. I hope you guys can join us. Take a look at the OpenSea link. I'll put that in the description below and check out what we're doing. I'm loving it. Thank you so much. You have a great day.